Okay, let's make a program where we find the sum of a series. I'm talking something like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up to n, where the value of n will be taken from this horizontal scroll button, this one, horizontal scroll bar. So to do that, we need to first design our form. Let's take this horizontal scroll bar and place it here. You can change its values from here, the value set to 1, and then change the minimum value to 1 and maximum to 100, because we wanted to find the sum of the series from 1 to 100 or anything in between it. But I'm not going to change it from here, I'm going to change it from the coding part. So first let's design the actual form. I'm writing okay, let's remove this. Let's take the value, whichever we choose from here will be shown on this label. So we're gonna clear everything out from here, and we're gonna take another label which will just say that the value of n is, and this one is the value of n which we choose from this horizontal scroll bar, and then we chose level 3, clear it out. Here it will show the output, and then here it will show the sum is, and then we'll have an exit button right here. Exit, you just write load me, and then every coding thing will be inside here or either in form. So let's begin the coding stuff. We first wanted to have a minimum, maximum, the maximum, minimum, and the value of our scroll bar, the minimum, maximum one. So maximum and minimum one. So just click anyone on the form, don't click anywhere on the label. Be careful, just click on the form, and let's remove this label. Okay, this is the form load, and we're gonna insert the values of the horizontal scroll bar. So we're gonna write scroll1 dot max is equals to 100, scroll1 dot min is equals to 1, and scroll1 dot value is equal to 1, which will be equal to the minimum value. It's like the initial value of the horizontal scroll bar. Now double click on the horizontal scroll bar, and we declare a variable dim sum as, nah, I don't think we need to declare it, just leave it for now. Okay, so we wanted to get our output, I mean the value of n here, which we choose from this horizontal scroll bar. So for that we write label1 dot caption is equals to horizontal scroll1 dot value. This one is label 1, so it will show you the value of it, and then we take sum is equal to 0, and we're gonna loop it with a for loop for I is equal to 0 to horizontal scroll value. So it will start from 0 to up to the value of the horizontal scroll bar, which will be the value of n, the final value. And you can either write it or you can skip step 1, but I like to write it. But if it's step 2, you need to write it. It doesn't matter for step 1. And then we're gonna write sum is equals to sum plus I, and then you're gonna write next. You can just write next, but I like to write next I, both are same. And then we're gonna have our output on this label, which is label 3. We're gonna write label 3 dot caption is equals to sum. We're gonna run this program. Okay, let's maximize this. Just go to form, write form1 dot window state is equal to vb maximized, and it's now maximized. So let's take some small values, like the value of n is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 4. For the value of n is equal to 4, we are having 10. So there we have it.